Hey, you stay over there.
Running, some up here.
There's nothing up there. There's no eggs over there. No, there's no eggs up there.
What the heck?
There's no eggs up here.
Okay, let's go. All the ones in the grass. There's a lot in the grass.
There's a lot right here, Trey. Right here. Look. Dang, there's a lot over here.
There's a lot near your mom. You know what? I can't even find the one I put. What's that? No, it's still there, dude.
Check the holes, Rocco.
On the grass.
You know where the holes are? Do you know where the holes are?
Yeah.
You got like one little knot. Or actually,
You want us to save your eggs?
Here, you want to leave it here?
Hey, keep on mine! Keep on mine!
oh,
Trey!
you know how we settle this? With an egg battle.
Trey! That was Rocco's. Give those two back. The orange one too.
Oh, wait, we settled this. It's an egg off.
An egg off. There's one more. If you walk around the path, there's one more that I thought. Yes, I got it. Yep. No, I had that.
Trey, stop being an egg beater.
Hey, Rocco, where's the holes at? Do you know where the holes are?
Yeah. Here.
Where's the hole?